Hi, good morning. Road trip in Iceland, episode 6. We'll have breakfast now, then we are driving to a museum. The breakfast wasn't that good like yesterday. Bye-bye hotel. The museum won't be boring because it's a lava museum, but you'll see. There it is. I didn't film much, but here are a few highlights. That's the entry. This is a volcano under the ground. And here is a panorama view. That's how it works. You have to step on this plate and then you can select a point you're interested in just by moving your hand. The volcano is erupting. In the end, we went to the little cinema to watch a film about Iceland. And then we enjoyed the view. Every mountain is a volcano. Now we have to buy a few snacks for friends. The way back to Reykjavik will last about 1.5 hours. And now we are back. Just 5 days ago we were standing right there. Guess where we are walking right now? Of course, I had to eat a yummy pizza again. And that's the view next to the Harpa. Remember Monday where it was extremely windy and dark? These 5 days just flew away. This is the Sun Voyager. And here is the Herpa. Last time we visited this place, it looked way better. Let's continue the drive to the hotel. It's the very last hotel. Tomorrow morning we are flying back to Frankfurt at 6:30 am. Before doing that, let's refuel the car. And we need food for dinner. Next stop, Blue Car Rental. We need to hand over our Dacia Duster. Directly next to it, there is the hotel. And that's our room. There is Keflavik Airport. Now we have to pack the suitcases. The window is pretty filthy. During the night, I made a time lapse. Sadly, you couldn't see Aurora. The chances were pretty high at this day. What did we do today? Firstly, we had breakfast, then we went to the Lava Museum, and after driving and exploring Reykjavik we bought food for dinner in the supermarket. After that we returned the car.